I'm a computer scientist. I have been working for the past 10 years on building computer vision and machine learning models to automatically analyze and interpret human facial expressions and gestures to map them to different emotions or medical conditions such as anxiety or pain. Recently, I have been working with animal behavior scientists to develop and produce similar models to analyze and automatically detect animal behavior. The main aim is to be able to automatically detect signs of pain or disease that can be contagious and that can affect the animals. The work on human facial expressions have been popularized because of the work of the psychologists and psychiatrists on building coding systems that can help us in building our machine learning models. One of the iconic work is the work of Paul Ekman that was published in 1978 that coded the facial expressions of human into some coding systems that codes the movements of different muscles and map them to specific actions on the face, such as an eyebrow raise, a smile, and this helps us in actually mapping these later to different emotions or signs of pain.
Similarly, we can code animal facial expressions in some measurable action units using grimace skills. For example, when the sheep is in pain or distress, we can see clear signs on the face, such as a V-shaped nostril, tightened cheeks, closed eyes, or flipped ears. Sheep are prey animals. They can try to hide signs of weakness or illness so they don't look vulnerable to predators. So, especially early signs of pain and disease can be subtle. Therefore, continuous monitoring of animals using video cameras and automatic analysis of video can help in picking up early signs of pain and disease, such as mastitis and foot rot, before it's even picked up by the farmers. Technically, in order to achieve that, we need to build various AI models that first detect the animal face, analyze facial movements, then make predictions based on labeled ground truth data. This photo shows the model in action when my work was featured on BBC Countryfile a couple of years ago. After taking a photo of this group of sheep, these were in Adam Henson's farm, we feed this photo to the system, and the system outputs the detected animal faces, different regions of interest, and analyzes these movements to detect or to predict signs of pain. So the output explains the probability that any or each of these animals might or might not be showing signs of pain. Here the program predicted that this specific animal might be in pain because of the nostril shape, a little bit V-shaped, and the ears being a little bit flipped to the back. The good advantage of this work compared to black box models is that it explains why the model decided to make such a prediction based on which facial features or which facial movements. Currently, I'm working on developing AI models to analyze body expressions, movements, and gait of the animals in order to automatically analyze them again for signs of pain or disease. These models can also be extended and applied to other farm animals such as cows and pigs.
In a future farm, we would hope to deploy such systems to be able to be integrated with identification tags on the animal ears so that it can notify the farmer once there is any signs of pain or disease on any of the animals in its flock. This will help a lot in early diagnosis of diseases and early interventions, thus helping a lot in the animal welfare.